Directly using Gusto Payroll is a straightforward process. Today, I'll demonstrate how to do it. Visit the Gusto website and sign up for an account, providing necessary business information such as your company's legal name, address, and employer identification number. Add your employees' information to Gusto, including their full names, addresses, social security numbers, tax withholding details, and payment preferences. Determine your payroll schedule and set it up in Gusto, ensuring compliance with federal, state, and local payroll tax requirements. Enter hours worked or salaries for each employee based on your payroll schedule. Gusto allows manual input of hours or integration with time tracking systems for automated data entry. Review payroll information for accuracy, including employee hours, salaries, and deductions. Make any necessary adjustments before approving payroll. Once you've reviewed and confirmed the details, initiate payroll processing in Gusto. The system will automatically calculate employee wages, deductions, and taxes. Gusto offers multiple payment methods for employees, including direct deposit, physical checks, and Gusto Wallet. Choose the appropriate payment method and distribute pay and taxes accordingly.